Hello there, wonderful viewers! Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok application. Now I'll tap on this little plus button to open my camera and then select a couple of photos from my photo gallery. I've selected 3 photos and you can see that I do have this feature, and that these photos are playing in a slideshow. They have the swipe animation, which is cool, but if you don't have this, then you have to go back to your TikTok profile now. The next step is to tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Then go to Settings and Privacy. When you open the TikTok settings, scroll all the way down until you can see this free up space option. Let's open it. When we open this, we need to clear both the cache and the downloads in here. Maybe we haven't cleared the cache files in a long time, and that may cause some problems with the app. So clear both of these and then exit TikTok. Now open the Settings app, and then this general section, iPhone storage. Find TikTok on this list, then simply tap on this Offload app button. What this will do is it will clear all the unnecessary data and other stuff that the app may have, and when the app offloads, you can also go for fresh installation of TikTok, which is up to date, and when you open the app you should see the photo swipe feature. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.